Resilience in a fast-paced business environment. Think clear, act calm, and lead strongly. Scripts created and spoken by neuroleadership coach Rob Botts. Welcome to Resilience in Fast-Paced Business Environment. This tape is designed to help you remain calm, think clearly, and act with confidence in fast-paced and stressful business environments. You will hear practical steps and self-talk statements that guide you to reinterpret challenges and strengthen your inner resilience. Take this opportunity to lean back and simply follow the words. They are especially created for you and your daily life as a leader. Practical process, 10 sentences. Take a deep breath before you respond. Notice the situation without judging it immediately. Ask yourself, what are the real facts here? Separate what you can control from what you cannot control. Decide to focus your energy on what lies within your influence. Look at the situation from a different perspective to gain clarity. Define your goal. What do I want to achieve here? Act step by step instead of trying to solve everything at once. Acknowledge small progress to strengthen your sense of control. Reflect afterwards. What did I learn that will help me next time? Self-talk. 10 sentences. I remain calm even when things get hectic. That gives me strength. Seeing the facts clearly and focusing on them accordingly gives me a sense of security. I focus on what I can have an influence on. That gives me control. I recognize opportunities in challenges. That makes me creative. I move forward step by step. That gives me calmness. I stay flexible in my thinking. That makes me successful. I find an approach to every problem. That gives me confidence. I trust my abilities. That strengthens my self-assurance. I learn from every situation. That makes me wiser. I stay calm and capable of action. That gives me strength. You have just completed the exercise Resilience in a high-paced business environment. With every listening, you are strengthening your thinking, building new positive patterns, and train your brain for more calmness, clarity, and strength in action. Remember that resilience develops step by step, and especially through repetition. Thanks for listening.